see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
How about you, Baba? You got everything? Nakatulog na yung tatlo. Dano asyang laka. Ang init talaga ngayon. Come on, Baba. Last one.
Okay, for that. Say hi. No. To the TV. Hi, guys. Here's the boys. Say hi, Kuya. Kuya don't want to say hi to her. He just waved today. Okay, so we're not allowed to go to the pool. So down. So I'm gonna buy new, well, Adelaide though, but so I'm gonna buy new thongs. No, thongs. New shoes. So we're just gonna read that. So, well, today, I'm Yama, but today, alright guys, so I'm just gonna lay down for a minute. Let me lay down. What's that? Say, let's see what's the time, guys. Now let me see what's the weather's today. Hang on, guys. Hang on, let me see what the weather's, guys. Weather. So here's the weather's, guys. So I'm seeing what is the weather. Okay. I don't know what's the weather. So guys, let's check.
Hey, you don't need to be on that.
Huh?
You don't need to be on that.
What's far up there for?
I was checking what's the weather.
Yeah, it's 20. What is it, 24? We've already got to, guys.
So guys,
It's 25.
sorry guys, we're looking at that. Good morning.
Good morning. Today is Saturday, January 30. My God, bukas February na.
28 more flights until the birthday.
Pardon?
28 more flights until the birthday.
Yeah, 28 more sleep birthday ko na. Good morning, Baba.
Good morning guys.
O, Kuya. Good morning. Si Jan naliligo na. Alam niyo, ang gagawin ko ay planchahin ko yung damit na sandali lang.
Dad. Watch.
Naliligo na si Jan. Nabanggit ko ba? Ito ba, planchahin ko to. Ito yung kinuha ko dun sa parcel ng Misguided. Planchahin ko to kasi for sure. Gusot-gusot to. Ayan, eh. So, planchahin ko lang to kasi tingnan nyo. Hahabulin ako ng plancha. Tapos na siya maligo. Mag-shave lang siya. Oh. Yun lang. Wala akong gunting. Ito kasi, pag re-return to, dapat naka-attach pa ito. Eh, hindi ko naman siya i-return. Kaso wala tayong gunting. So, naman ako sa front desk. Size 12 pala ako. Australia, tsaka UK, size 12. Pag Euro, size 40. US, size 8. Wala lang. Nasabi ko lang yung size ko. Size 12 ako. Kaso, eto, oh. Tsaka parang may mancha. Ano yan? Sige, plansyahin ko na muna to. Mamaya ko na to problemahin. Na-disgrasya yung aking dress. Ayan. Chinek ko naman bago ko siya plinansya. Chinek ko dito. Sinet ko yung plancha sa silk. Yung ano lang, yung hindi ganun kainit. Ayan, oh. Pwede naman siyang planchahin. Ayan, oh. Ha, dumikit siya. Dumikit siya. So, ngayon, natatakot na akong planchahin siya. Oh my goodness. Kinain siya ng plancha. Yeah. Ay, nakita nyo? Ayan siya, oh. Ayan, ready na tayo. And, ito yung ano ba, yung nasunog ng plancha. Hindi naman siya kita kasi nandito siya sa may ano, dito ba sa may malapit sa kilikili. Sabi niya, can you say hi? Na? Sabi niya, hindi naman daw halata.
You got that tag?
Yeah. Can you please remove it?
No, I've got to get me.
And this one as well, huh? We need to borrow a scissor from the front desk. Yeah. No. For sure they have, huh? Okay, come on kids. Ito yung itsura niya. Ha? Yeah. Okay.
Is your hat clear?
Dad, you have to get a good shoe.
Han, wait.
I'm not wearing that.
So, ito yung itsura niya, oh. Maganda siya kasi ano, presko. And, sinuot ko ulit yung aking pang-inner kasi nga, pag ganito, mga parang see-through sila. So, ayan. And si Baba, okay, come on, Baba. I'll put your shoes, come on. Ayan na siya. And of course, Mushi. Okay, up.
My bag.
Yeah, your bag. Okay, let's go. Sapatusan ko lang to. Ah, eto ba yung sandals niya? Come on. Yan, nakahiram siya. Palim.
Wait, who's that talking about?
To the lady.
Huh?
To the lady. Talking to the lady. Okay. Ayan, oh, di ba? Hindi naman. Thanks, kuya. Pinakuha ko kay kuya yung sandals. Ayan, di ba? Hindi naman siya halata, oh. Kasi nandito siya, oh. Hindi ko na dito talaga plinansya. Konti lang, saglit lang. And dito, ayan. Nakaset siya sa silk. Yung hindi masyado main. Pero ewan ko, bakit siya nasunog? Pero okay lang naman. Hindi naman siya halata. Okay. Si Holly, nasapatusan ko na. Okay, alis na tayo.
Yeah,
Alis na
going
tayo.
down, maybe shop. No, we haven't got that size, sorry.
Yeah, punta kami ng Harbour Town.
Sorry.
Kasi bibilan natin ng sapatos si Holly. Kasi diba mag-aaral na si Holly. So, kailangan niya ng sapatos. Pero yung ano lang naman, parang tennis shoes. And after, punta tayo sa golf lesson ni Kuya. Then later, may dinner kami. Kasi diba, birthday ni Lai bukas. So, pero ngayon isi-celebrate. So, I have to buy gift for Lyra Tuhan. Yung pala din yung isa pang bibilihin ko. Regalo para kay Lai. Aside sa sapatos ni Holly.
Mom, after golf, we're going to the pool.
To the pool. O, magsiswimming sila. Kasi maganda yung weather. Hindi siya hindi malamig, hindi rin mainit. Tamang-tama lang. Traffic. Dito na tayo sa Harbour Town. Daming tao kasi Saturday. Doon kami sa likod na kapag park. Come on, Jack. Tawag sa akin ni John. Jack. Zach. Pasok tayo dito sa Intersport. Hando na sila. Oh. Upo na siya. Come on, Baba. That one? Pink. You like that? Pandahan. Panda. See the panda? What's that one? Mickey Mouse? Yeah, Minnie Mouse. It's a Minnie Mouse. It is Minnie Mouse, Baba.
So there's a size on this one. We
Okay. I hope you have a size, Holly.
Let's try.
May mirror dito. Ipakita ko sa yung klaro yung ating OOTD. Ayan yung itsura niya. Oh. Tapos, yung nasunog. Yung plancha ba dumikit? Ayan. Ayan, kita nyo. Ayun. Kaya pag nakaganito, hindi masyadong halata. Pero pag gumanyan, ayan, kita siya. So, yan. Yan ang ating OOTD. Hindi pa nakakakuha ata ng makakausap si Jan para mag-ask ng size ni Holly ba?
I'm getting new shoes too.
Are you?
Which ones?
He's getting a new shoes.
You can see one.
Oh, si kuya din pala.
Yeah.
Susukatin yung paa niya.
I'm gonna
Going
go
socks for these socks, kids, yeah.
Okay, go Baba. Put your foot,
Stand this for me.
stand up.
That's it. So go all the way back. Thank you. Oh, keep going back. Thank you. Probably an 11.
11?
Probably 11.
Size 11, Baba.
How's that?
That's 9K.
Nasukatan na si Holly and sabi ni Jan, give me a good news. Nandun siya sa likod. Nagtitingin kung merong size si Holly. Size 11. Wala, nagpa-flash yung ating battery.
Hello, he's found that's
Ah,
Size 11. So there's some socks for you.
may nakuha siyang size 11.
we're out of stock now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We did that today too. So I need
Okay,
these onto
honey.
one.
Geez, they're massive.
Yeah, it is. It is big. No, that's too big, honey. Baba, I think.
Huge.
Yeah, they do. They do. Her foot could have moved while I was measuring.
They're not nothing.
Stand up.
Is it full thumb width though or more?
Where's the toe? Like, wiggle it.
Hold it. Baba, do this like this, Baba. Baba. Holly.
Show me the end of your toe. Touch it. Touch it where the end of your tongue is.
Baba, do this.
Go for a walk.
Go for a walk. I feel like it's too big. Let me see. Let me see. Here.
Yeah, you put the foot
Here.
down. flat.
Please sit down.
Yeah, oh, it's compressing.
Here, you have a go. You're the professional.
Now you're up, have a look. So stand all the way up.
Stand
Up.
Right, that way the foot compresses down. That's how you naturally walk.
Yeah.
Now, yeah, as you can see, it is it's a full thumb width, which is recommended.
Yeah.
For growing kids, definitely never have a perfect fit because they grow out of it pretty
They're
quickly.
very quick, yeah.
It is on the bigger side, but yeah, that should be fine. Even a pair of thicker socks.
Sukatin niya pareho. May allowance siyang konti. Tapos sabi ni Kuya, dapat daw talaga may allowance kasi mabilis mabilis lumaki yung mga paa nila.
What size do you guys have?
Okay, can walk, Baba. Go for walk. Come on. Is it... What do you think, Holly? You think it's alright?
Yeah, that'll be all. She'll be all.
Get number 6.
Size 6. Si Kuya naman yung hinahanapan niya ng size.
Grow up, I think that might be.
Walang size si Kuya, size 7. Hindi talaga kami makahanap ng eksaktong size ni Kuya.
Shoes bud that you like, or
Okay. Alright. Disney, ano siya? Adidas.
Look, put your phone in your bag.
Okay. Gonna say to the lady? Thank you. See you later. See ya. Yeah, may sapatos na siya.
Hey, got the news.
Pumasok yung boys dito sa Sports Power. Para kay Kuya naman, yung hanapin natin na sapatos. Come on, here, come on.
Huh?
Gusto ni Kuya, the same pa rin na, ano ba, brand, tsaka the same yung style. Pero ewan ko makakuha siya na ang the same color. Ayan, black. Size 7, Kuya, right? How about white, yeah? You don't like white? Labas na tayo kasi walang size si Kuya. Ang meron sila ay size 5. Ang kailangan ni Kuya ay size 6. Doon sa una, size 7 yung pinakamaliit nila. Dito tayo sa sports run out. Okay. Excuse me. Nahanap ni Zach. Good job, Zach. Ayan. Sana merong size si Kuya. Thank you. Walang size si Kuya. Tapos tinawagan nila yung ibang store. Wala rin daw na size 6.
I think they're a bit big.
Yeah, Kuya. So what's next?
Yeah, but 6.
Nakita ko yung Valley Girl na shop. Parang hinihila ako. Ito yung Valley Girl, oh. Balik kami dito sa Intersport kasi itry na lang ni Kuya yung size 7. Tingnan natin kung kasya na sa kanya. Kasi wala talaga kaming mahanap na sapatos. Parang unlucky. Parang malaki kay Kuya. Para kang anong Kuya. Let me see. Parang it's too big naman. I-check ni Kuya.
So big.
6.5 daw dapat kay Kuya. Sobrang laki sa kanya. So, ang kukunin na lang namin is kung anong merong size sila kahit hindi gusto ni Kuya yung design. Kasi ito na yung ano, yung isa wala. Ito sanang gusto niya, oh. Kaso wala rin na size niya. Ito naman, ayaw ni Kuya. Come on, yeah. Wala, lumabas na kami kasi walang size si Kuya. Ha? Yeah, I'm gonna... Alright. I'm gonna find Lyra's gift. So, punta... where you gonna go, Han? There? Okay. Punta sila dito sa Gloria Jeans. Han, I'm just gonna go to the price line, Han. Pasok ako dito sa price line. Tingin tayo na pangregalo kay Eli kasi wala. Hindi ko lang saan ako bibili eh. Sana mayroon dito. Ang ibibigay ko na lang kay Eli ay perfume. Maghahanap na lang ako ng yung ano, parang refreshing. Yun ang gusto ko. Gusto ko pala. Yung refreshing lang yung amoy. Ayoko yung too strong. Ang hirap mamigay ng perfume na hindi para sa'yo. Alam niyo yun? Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gusto niya. Pero, we'll see. So, hanap lang ako. Okay, thank you. You too. See you. Ayan, nakabili na ako and marami akong trinay. Nandito. And kaso wala akong sabi ko kung nag-gift wrap sila, hindi raw. So, ito yung paper bag. Asa na yung mga amak ko? Dito sila sa Subway. Ano ba sila? Did you miss me? Okay. Wala pa pala siya nakuha. Si Kuya lang ang in-orderan niya doon. Si Sak, alam niya naman siya kung anong gusto niya. Sushi. Okay, come on, baba. Kumuha ko yung rainbow, yung iba-ibang klase. Thank you. Dito tayo ulit sa Fiesta Cafe and Restaurant. Naka-order na ako ng quesadilla. Kuha lang tayo ng drink. Ano ba yung kinuha? Eto, masarap tong raspberry iced tea. Right.
I have these chips on the side.
Alright, thank you. Pasok lang kami dito saglit ulit sa MCL. Galing ako dito last time nung nakaraang, ewan ko kailan ba yan. Hindi ako makapili ng mga ice. Minamadali ako ng dalawa. Okay, let's go. Punta kami sa car kasi naghihintay na rin sila dyan. Tumawag na nga si Jen eh. Come on, baba. Ha? Kasi may golf nga si Kuya. Come on. Drive na tayo papuntang golf course. Anong oras na? Alauna na. Not really. Yeah. Alauna. Alas dos yung ano ni Kuya, yung golf lesson niya. Pero diba nag-eat muna sila before ng golf lesson ni Kuya. Gutom na si Sak. Doon na kayo kakain sa golf course.
Now I'm gonna hit some balls.
Are you?
We don't have your golf club.
Yeah, we do. It's in that golf club. Here it is.
No, they're my golf clubs. Holly. This what she said.
Ganda ng park. Aderahan, oh. Here. Perfect. Oh. Binalik na yung bench.
Nice thing.
Baba, oh, they have bench now. Binalik na nila, oh. May upuan na. Hindi ko nakita. Sit down there, Sak, go. Naunan tayo ni ate, oh. Nakaupo na siya dun sa bench. Change na si Kuya ng shoes. Ayun, si Kuya, magpapalit na siya ng sapatos. I know, you're hungry. Okay. Sabi ko sa'yo, maupo ka na doon eh. Yun lang yung pram niya. Nandun naman sila. Kinuha ko kay Sak, chicken tempura, tsaka prawns tempura. Wait. Ito yung kay Holly, yung rainbow ang tawag sa kanya. Nakita nyo na to noon. In-order ko na to before. Ayan. Ito lang ayaw ko dyan. Yung, ano ba, yung tawag na salmon. Kasi hindi siya ganun kaluto. Smoke lang yata yun. Okay, come on. Dito lang kayo sa kakain. Kasi si ate, oh, pinark niya yung pram niya doon. Hindi naman siya naupuan. Doon sila, oh. Han! Andun na si Jan, tsaka si Kuya TJ. Kami kakain. Kaya nakita ka, Holly.
Okay, let's eat. Let's eat ma. Yeah, I need to eat this. Please.
Wala kasi tayong chopstick. Ayan, ang
Wow.
unahin ko na tong ayaw ko. Oh my God, ganito na lang.
Oh, good, Mom.
Hmm?
Yeah, prawns.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good, Mom.
Sarap, be careful with your clothes, ha? Did you stop? Your hands are so oily.
Oh, I'm not eating. I'm still waiting.
I'm gonna finish this all.
Come on. Don't wipe on your clothes, Holly. Oh, Holly, hurry.
Mom, this is choice to wait.
Holly. Holly.
Oh, it's like all the fish. I hate it. Spoon?
No.
Are you kidding me? Look what I just made. That's your spoonful.
So be careful with your short. Holly, chicken. Wipe your hands. Tapos na kaming kumain. And si Sak andun sa likod.
I'm gonna hit balls, guys.
Did you change your shoes? Okay, tapos na din. Ayan, tapos niya nang
Guys,
palitan yung
I'm
kanyang
gonna
sapatos.
hit balls,
Okay.
guys.
Ha?
We're gonna hit balls.
Not yet.
I'm just.
Wait for daddy.
Wait for daddy. Wait for daddy.
Yeah. Ito masarap to, oh. Yung ice tea na raspberry.
I can try.
Nabusog ako.
Can you help me?
Andun na rin si Sak. Malakas na naman yung hangin, guys. And marami ngayon yung magli-lesson kasi andun na si Kuya.
Kuya Zach.
Andun si Kuya sa may silong. Sa may silong.
I'm not
Hindi nyo
gonna hit the
makita.
ball yet.
You have to wait for daddy. Ayan. Marami sila ngayon compare last time, yung first time ni Kuya mag-golf lesson for this
When
year.
Dad finishes
2 weeks ago?
ball,
3 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago ata. And yes, ayun si Sak tsaka si
Mom.
daddy. Yes.
When Dad finishes ball,
Yes.
this is
And
gonna
marami
take
pang nagsisidatingan. Oh.
long, Mom.
Dito na si Jan. Si Sak nandun pa.
Dad, I need to do a poo.
Hala.
Oh. Better talk about the girls first.
Where?
Okay.
Pasintabi po, narinig nyo naman si Holly. Punta kami doon. Ay nako, Holly girl. Tara! Dito rin si Sak. And tapos na pala dito, guys. Diba before, meron ditong, naalala nyo yun, yung pinapakita ko sa inyo, may construction. Tapos na siya. So ngayon, ano lang tayo? Doesn't work. Okay, come on. Ngayon, meron siya na pang convention. Locker room, no? Not that one. That's med. Hanapin natin yung toilet. This, yeah, here. Thank you, Zach. Are you coming? Okay, come on. Nakalagay, women's locker room. Oh, push. Solid wood siya, ha? Okay, ang bango. Wow. Ganda naman. Oh. Wow. A new place. Come on, you gotta go to toilet. Come here. Yeah. Oh, diba? Libutin natin to mag locker, women's locker room tayo. Which way? Ang daming towels, face towels. Ayun na yung sink. 3. Mirror, and then lights. And same dito, oh. May Rexona pa, oh. Where? Sa Holly. Nahanap ko na yung toilet. I think this one. Yeah, here. Okay. Okay, let's go. Mamaya na yung room tour. Locker room. Okay, alright.
Same as at the big time. Same time.
Go wash your hands.
So, Mom.
Look, that's lotion. Oh,
Can't get.
it's alright now. That's it.
I need got this.
Tapos meron pa silang oh. Patawag dito, oh. Okay. Here, Baba. Diba? Sosyal. Okay. Thank you. Saan natin ito ilalagay? Ayan. Meron dito hamper. Okay. Alright. And, wait, Baba. Libutin muna natin to. May shower dito din. Wait, Baba. Ayan, may shower din sila. Shower. And shower. Kumpleto sila, ha. Meron silang mga ayan, macadamia pa yung nila. Shampoo and conditioner and body wash. Yes, and may upuan dito and towels. Yes, baby, wait lang. And meron pa dito, oh. Ewan ko ano to. And meron silang more towels. Ano to, yun doon. Tapos yung mga, ayun, doon na yung lockers. Tapos dito merong blowers. Ayun, dami. And meron din silang iron.
What are these?
Ayan, And, diba? Toilet na yun. Yan, pwede pa ikaw magbasa-basa. Oh. Good job. Okay, thank you. Right, here, this way. Not that way. This way. Oh, I know. This way. Kita ko lang sa inyo. Eto, tapos na to. Naalala nyo before, mayroon dito parang construction. Ayan, tapos na siya hanggang doon. Ayan, tapos na siya. And sobrang ganda, diba, ng nila, na yung, yung women's locker. Ang ganda ng bathroom toilet. Tapos basta, nag-picture kayo doon ni Holly. Baba, where's daddy now? Ando na sila kuya. O, nagpa-practice na. Nagle-lesson na si kuya.